In this video, we're going to look at how to build your very first ElevenLabs voice AI agent. And I have to say it, like ElevenLabs was really simple to set up when it comes to the user experience. So very pleasant experience overall, but very, very solid agent when it comes to the latency and when it comes to the tools that it has pre-configured out of the box. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So you will land into ElevenLabs, and if you do not have an account yet, please go ahead and set up yourself a account. That should be very, very simple. And once you're there, what you want to do is go on the sidebar, and then you will see creative platform. Now, we're not going to work on the creative platform. There is a separate platform for creating agents, and that is called agents platform. You click in there, and then you will be redirected into the let's say dashboard, and where we want to go to start is the agents section. Now, I was testing a little bit here when it comes to the agents. Let me delete that and start a new one. So we do everything step by step. Now, you will probably be presented with a bunch of examples. It's really cool actually to test them to get a feel of how they sound. But for our case, we're going to go and start from blank. And to ease your experience, what I did is that I already set up a prompt that we can work with. It's, let's say, a fictitious company. It's a real estate company. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste it right here. But you can see that we have a fully functioning prompt. And if you want to use the same one, I actually do leave the prompt in the description. So you can just download it, copy it, and paste it, and have it talking. Now, I have it set up so that it's actually multilingual. So I'm very curious to see if ElevenLabs is able to handle that properly, because before I didn't set up yet. But as you can see, here we can do a few things. So first of all, we're working on ElevenLabs, and ElevenLabs is really known for its beautiful voices and really high quality voices. So we can really play around, find the best suitable voice for our use case. In this case, I'm just going to keep Eric, and yeah, let's say keep the settings by default that we have from default. But what I'm interested to do is actually to change the language. So now I have English, but as you can see, I can easily add the languages that I was mentioning before. So we had Italian, we had German, and we had Spanish. Awesome. So we will have them all listed here. And it was awesome because it's like quite simple to set all of these. And we also need to set up the initial first message. We can say, hey, this is Eric from Metropolitan Home, New York. How can I assist you today? Awesome. So yeah, let's just go with that. Sec. I see also that there is an option to make the agent interruptible, or so that means that the person, once they're talking, they can basically interrupt the agent when it comes to the first message. I think it's fine. We can keep it interruptible, so we can kind of interrupt it. And I love it that we see here that we can basically choose which language to default to. In this case, yeah, we want to go for English. Let's save. And here at the bottom right section, you can select the LLM model that you want to go for. And they have Gemini Flash V2, which is pre-selected, which I tested. It's really, really good when it comes to the latency. But if you want really, let's say, really good latency, I was trying Qwen 3 model, and it was very, very good as well. So yeah, have your pick, try it, and I guess you make your mind as you try. One small thing that we need to make sure that we check is the TTS model family. So given that we want to have a multilingual agent, what I would do is change the ElevenLabs multilingual. Sorry, it was turbo before, but I would change it into ElevenLabs multilingual to get at least a better quality when it comes to the languages switching. And given that we have a Eric, so it's a male name, I would change it to Eric, and you are Eric in this case, just to stay consistent with that. Then we are ready to preview.
Hey, this is Eric from Metropolitan Homes NYC. How can I assist you today?
Ehi, Ike, non è che posso parlare in italiano direttamente?
Certo, possiamo parlare in italiano. Come posso aiutarla oggi?
Okay, let's switch to English actually. How many languages do you speak actually?
No problem at all. I can speak English, Spanish, German, and Italian. How can I help you today?
That was actually really good latency, I have to say. I'm actually curious to show you the Quen 3 and see if we can see some, let's say, difference when it comes to the actual talking. So let's preview that.
This is Eric from Metropolitan Homes NYC. How can I assist you today?
Hey Eric, where do you guys operate?
We specialize in Manhattan properties, so we're focused on all 5 boroughs, but primarily serve the Manhattan area. Let me know how I can help you today.
Yeah, I was looking for a house to purchase actually.
Perfect. I'll connect you with our buying specialist, Sarah. Can I get your name?
It's actually quite good. I have to say not that comparable compared to the 2.5 Flash, even though Quen has a lot less latency. I guess I would have to try it a lot more to be able to tell when the difference is appearing. But for, let's say, talking for any initial task, I would stick to the filled option that ElevenLabs gives us. Now, one last thing that I would like to finish with is that ElevenLabs already out of the box provides us with a bunch of really interesting tools that we can play around with. So, for example, we have the end conversation. We have the detect languages. I guess actually we should have checked this one, end conversation. Transfer to agent, transfer to number. So it's really easy to, I mean, as you can see also from the UI, like it's really easy to understand what to do and what exactly to, where to go for changing specific settings. Now, I like to go for these two, so I will just save. Yeah, so that was it for the ElevenLabs initial tutorial. I hope this gave you a good idea of what you can build. In the next video, we're going to be looking at how to hook this ElevenLabs video with an A10. So you can, for example, record, take the recordings of the call, transcribe them, and potentially make further actions.